Assalamu alaikum and good morning. This is Shazia Khan, subject teacher of SST. Student, today I am going to start new lesson of civics, that is number 1, our life in society. In the 5th standard, you have learned about the evolution of man. It tells us that our present social life has taken shape through a process of evolution over thousands of years. Man has moved from a nomadic stage to a settled social life. Now, society means what? Society is a group of individuals involved in persistent social interaction or a large social group. Now, in 5th standard, you have learned about the evolution of man. Now, human evolution is the lengthy process of change by which people originated from ape-like ancestors. Now, scientifically, evidence shows that the physical and behavioral traits shaped by all the people originate from ape-like ancestors and evolved over a period of approximately 6 million years. Now, nomadic stage is someone who lives by traveling from place to place. Now, nomadic hunters, those people used to do hunters gather tribes, follows the animals. They hunt now carrying tent with them. So these are all men has moved from a nomadic stage to settled social life. Now this is the picture. Now nomadic ape-like ancestors like before along back on nomadic stage. See the weapon. This is the weapon they used to take along to with them to hunt for animals and all. Now this is the modern technology. Those time there was no computer, nothing, no phones, no telephone, nothing was there. Now point 1.1, why did man feel the need for society? A stable and secure community life is necessary for the development of the individual as well as society. In the nomadic stage, man did not have this stability and security. When man realized that living in a group provides security, people came together to develop an organized way of life. This was one of the main motivations for the creation of society. Living in society, man felt the need for rules to help with the smooth functioning of day-to-day matters. It gave rise to conventions, traditions, ethics and values, rules and laws. Man's life in society became more organized and stable. Now, what does this paragraph mean? Now, the man from nomadic stage to the settled social life, man felt the need for society. Because in nomadic stage there was no stability, the security for them. Now, today's time, men feel that staying in a society, we feel stable and secure community life. Now they started slowly realizing that living in a group and it gets security, and if people come together then there will be the development in the society as well as in the human life. Now staying in the society, there are certain rules and regulations that will help for proper functioning and day-to-day life. Now before the people used to hunt, they take the weapon and hunt. Now we don't have to take a weapon and hunt. We can go in the shop and buy whatever veg and non-veg items you eat, that you can buy that. Now from the people will come to know about each other's traditions, ethics, value, rules. How to follow these all things will come to know from the people. Because of the society, man feel much more organized. Now 1.2, the social nature of man. Man is social by nature. We all basically like to live with one another in each other's company and with people around us. Living with people not only makes us happy, it is also our need. We have many needs: food, shelter, clothing are our physical needs. Once these are satisfied, man gets a sense of stability, but that is not enough. We also have some emotional and physiological needs. For example, to feel secure is an emotional need. When we are happy, we wish to share our happiness with others. Similarly, when we are sad, we wish to have somebody with us. We like the companionship of our family members, relatives, and friends. These feelings reflected our social nature. Now, what does this paragraph mean? Now, man's basic needs is what? Food, clothing, and shelter. Now, education is also plays an important role. So, we all like to live with another who are around us. Once we leave them, we feel very secure and stable life. We feel very happy. Now humans have some emotional and psychological name. For example, like you want to share some emotions or related to your happiness. If you want, you can share it with your neighbors or relatives nearby who is staying with you, that you can share. So these are the emotions which you feel like sharing, and when we are sad, we feel like to share this sadness also with other persons. Understand, student? Now here we complete 3 paragraphs. We will continue in the next video. Thank you.